GitHub releases page. 1 Tauri app, 3 installers. A.dmg for macOS. A.exe for Windows. A .appimage for Linux. All produced from a single git tag push. The workflow is 35 lines. 1 matrix, 3 runners. Here is how it wires up. Bundle targets in Tauri. Conference.json. DMG for macOS. nsis for the Windows installer. Deb and appimage for Linux. Tauri build only emits targets that match the current host, so one config covers all 3 runners. The workflow triggers on tags matching vstar. A normal push to main does not fire it. Releases are gated by the act of cutting a tag. Permissions. Contents right. The default GitHub_token is read-only. Without this line, the create release step fails with a 403. The matrix is the heart of the workflow. 3 entries: macOS latest, Windows latest, Ubuntu 22.04. Fail fast false means one platform breaking does not cancel the others. Each entry carries a Rust target triple and a file glob for the produced installer. The same step set runs on all 3 runners with these values substituted. Linux needs apt deps for WebKit, App Indicator, libar svg, and patchelf. The if condition keeps the step from running on macOS or Windows. Install Rust with the target triple. Install pnpm. Install Node with pnpm cache. These 3 actions cover the toolchain on every platform. pnpm install with frozen lock file, then pnpm tauri build with the target. The bundle drops into target/release/bundle, organized by bundler. Last step. Action GH_release uploads the matched installer to a release named after the tag. All 3 jobs upload to the same release. 3 jobs, 1 release, 3 platform installers. On the build machine, git tag version 0.1.0, git push origin version 0.1.0. That is the entire release ritual. Switch to the Actions tab. 3 jobs spin up in parallel: macOS, Windows, Linux. Total wall time is the slowest runner, not the sum. When they finish, the releases page has version 0.1.0 with 3 downloadable installers. Anyone on any platform can install TriShip the way native to their machine. Three pieces to remember. First, bundle targets in Tauri. Conference.json list DMG, nsis, deb, and appimage. Tauri build skips targets that don't apply to the current host. Second, the matrix strategy runs 3 GitHub-hosted runners in parallel. Fail fast false keeps one platform's failure from killing the others. Third, a tag push triggers the workflow. Contents write permission lets it create a release. Action GH release uploads all 3 installers to the same release. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more Tauri tutorials, drop a comment with questions for Claude to reply, and share with anyone shipping desktop software.